Ciao! I decided to make some pasta alla Giovanna. Giovanna is my neighbor in Italy and she is my adopted sister, let's say. Very quick, as usual, and I love it very much, so I hope you enjoy. We start, as always, with a pot of water. Here we go. And then we add some salt. We put it on the fire. And put a lid on it. Then we take some pasta. Then we need a pan, like this one. And we put it on the stove. And we add some olive oil, olio d'oliva. I take 2 of these onion flowers, put that back in the freezer, take some garlic, so start the fire under the pan, add the onions, add the garlic, the water is boiling. So I'm adding the pasta and lower the heat. We add a little salt, we add a little pepper. I like to add a little bit of chilli, peperoncino. So now we add some cream to the meat. Then we add the sauce. Add the cheese. Of course, Parmigiano. And here we are. Buon appetito!